My name is Marco and today we are looking at 5 ways to make money online UK 2020 edition, 4 of which are available worldwide. So the first website is called Team Profit, link in the description below. The company and Side Hustle are based and available only in the UK. So if you're watching from another country, there is a timestamp in the description to skip to the international side hustles.
So why did you start with this side hustle?
Because you can make £1,000 in the first month, after which is more like £200 a month. On Team Profit, you can make money with match betting, which is the art of turning the free bonuses that are given away by bookmakers into withdrawable cash, therefore making a profit. Team Profit shows you how to do it with their step-by-step tutorials and with the live chat that is available during the day. And on top of that, they give you a spreadsheet to keep track of your profits. To get started on match betting, you just need a PC and that's it. The tools, the training is all on Team Profit. Link in the description below. And moving on, the next website I want to talk about is called Italki. This massive website is based in Hong Kong, but you can work with them from any country because they pay you through PayPal. And it's a very good side hustle because you set how much to be paid per hour. And normally people ask from 10 to 30 pounds an hour. And this side hustle is totally flexible, like this geezer, as you decide when you can accept jobs from Italki. Italki acts as a marketplace for students and teachers. And you will make money as a community tutor, aka you're gonna teach your native language to students. But the good thing is that you won't need any certifications or credentials, as you can see from this screenshot. You will need to be a native or near native speaker of the language. And last but not least, you will have to record a 1 to 3 minute video to get registered on the platform. And you also need a PC and a camera to Skype with your students. The next website is called Userlytics.com. The company is based in the US, but you can work from them from any country thanks to the magic of PayPal. Each test you take is paid from $5 up to $90 depending on the test. So Userlytics makes money by testing the apps and software of their clients. Actually, they pay you to do it. Clever, isn't it? And so you get to record yourself while speaking out loud as you try the apps. And you also have to answer a few questions. To get started on Userlytics, you just need a smartphone or a PC, depending on the test. They say they don't even need you to pass a test to get started, but they want you to compile a questionnaire, which they say it's easy. So not bad, isn't it? Now, the next website we're gonna have a look at is called Shutterstock. Even this company is based in the US, but it's available everywhere and paid through PayPal. Now, for the money, the initial earnings can be as little as $5 a month. However, this is a scalable side hustle, meaning that you will progressively increase your profit over time. And you make money by selling pictures and videos to media, newspapers, you name it, anyone who needs pictures and footage. Shutterstock works as a marketplace and they display your stock for free. Now, a top tip for this side hustle. It's much easier than you think. The first step you should take is to go on Shutterstock and upload all pictures and videos you have on your camera and mobile, making sure you avoid all nudes. Seriously, no pictures of people, just objects. This is to avoid copyright issues even if the pictures are pictures of yourself. And voila, you have your first bunch of pictures to sell. Easy peasy. And for this side hustle, you just need a PC or a laptop. But if you really want to take it to the next level, you should also buy a camera. Which I wouldn't do it as a first step. Just first of all, try with what you have. Don't spend a penny on it until you make money. Now, the next website we're gonna look at is called Redbubble. This is another US-based company and they pay through PayPal. So as long as you have a PayPal account, you'll be fine and you can work with them. Money-wise, you can make, well, it depends. Redbubble is a marketplace and maker of designer products. And the way you make money with them is to come up with a design that would be for things like cups, t-shirts, jumpers, whatever, and then you will upload it on Redbubble and they will do everything for you and you just get some sort of royalty from every purchase. So the question are, as a designer, do you have to purchase any physical stock? And the answer is no. Do you have to handle any customer queries? And the answer is again no. The only thing you have to do is to come up with a good design for an object of your choice, like I said, a cup or a piece of clothing, and then upload it on their website. And you can come up with your own design on Photoshop or GIMP, with GIMP being completely free to download and use. And also, tutorials on how to use GIMP are here on YouTube. Hey, did you like these side income ideas? You will find another bunch of them when you click on this playlist of short videos that I made specifically to make money online with no investment. Which side hustle did you prefer and why? Drop me a comment and I will answer all of them. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.